Hello guys, what's up guys? Alright, in today's video we'll be solving the daily combo for the blue airdrop, and also I want to also quickly let you guys know that the season 1 has been completed, okay, and the airdrop has been distributed. I think it was 5% that was distributed, alright, as you can see here. So if you have not claimed your own, do well to do all the necessary tasks for you to claim. Alright, although it's saying that it's finished here, but if you've already activated your account before September 25th, you'll still be able to claim your airdrop. As you can see, these are the things you need to do to make sure that you claim your token. So that are the things, okay. So now you also need to know that this 5% is just the season 1 of the project. All right, so the season 2 is going to be ending this October. All right, October. Then I guess the next one here, that is 25%, is going to be season 3, and season 4 by December. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to know about that. So let's dive into the daily combo for the day. All right, so 1459 59, is it 59 57 1459. Congratulations guys, we just won the combo of the day. All right, so see you in the next video guys. Bye.